Hello, I'm out here in this foresty place I found, little forest road pathway thing, and I just came out here because I really wanted to find a little foresty, little parky area, like, be in nature, be surrounded by nature instead of being indoors. Be more in nature than you are indoors. Even if you have to invite nature into your own home, I don't know. But, meditate more, twice a day, maybe, 20 minutes. That wouldn't harm your day, would it? I don't know. Jesus, do 30 minutes exercise. Minimum a day. It's nothing, is it? We're all guilty of not doing it, but, that's what it is. Go out here. I just came out here just to really breathe in that prana. So that's really it. Come out here. Breathe in that fresh air. It's got prana in it. I don't know what it is. What's prana? Is like life force or something? I don't know. Pure energy from like beyond of all that is. This place is cool. It's like a little golf putt. They play putt. They putt here. I'm in Truly, in a little rural place. Lovely area, and I'm sure they had a bit of forest area somewhere. Sure. Whatever. I'll go find some. But I sit in it. That's it. All we have to think about. Look at this. Boom. Big trees everywhere. I missed it. Boom, boom, boom. Trees. Oh my god. Crazy. Let's climb them. Nah. Maybe. Let's go over here. Yeah. Yes. Do some exercise. Whoa. Oh god. No, my shoes now wet. Where the hell am I? Look at this, look. Like a little seat area. Look. A bit open. I'm close to where I live, to be honest. Yeah, close to where I live. I can literally see my house from here. Not now, it's covered, but when I walked down to the pathway down a bit, I went over and saw the tree that's recognisable from my front door, where the garden is, and yeah, it's right there. But lovely, I love it. And I didn't know this was like a little foresty area, so I'm like, yes, results. But I'm letting this video stretch on a bit, so I'll let you guys go. I'll sit over here, do like 2 final breaths if you want. Just sit over there or whatever. Log. Enjoy it. Peace. Namaste. Have a good one, guys.